Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be working in my wings journal today from Cheaply Chic. I'm really excited about this one. I love bird, nature type theme journals, and this one kind of has a little tiny bit of a boho feel to it, and I'm really enjoying that. So I have the collection here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I did not watch the video of the video where she goes over what the things are, because I wanted to see for myself, because I knew I was gonna like it, so it didn't even matter. And I did pull quite a bit of things from my stash. I've got a whole little container here of stuff, and then I've got a full bin of stuff already. So I wanted to just quickly go through the journal itself, or the components in the journal, and then we'll kind of start. I think I'm going to go ahead and set up my everything that I like to set up. So she gave us these music sheets. There we go. Music sheets, 1934 copyright. These are really cool. Yeah, that's really cool. That's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna open this real quick. All right. So she included a pen this time, so I'm gonna open this. Okay, so she included a Uniball pen, and it's white, and then she included a black piece of paper, so I was really excited about that element. And there's some feathers, and then there's a whole bag of gem and goodies and pearls, super fun. And then her bag of fibers, and then she has a couple of what are these called? Garment pins. One has a little feather on it, and the other one has some beads. So I know this takes a lot of time to do this for, I think she sells like 100 collections. So I'm sure that takes some time to do that. And then let's see in here, there's a little cigarette card, and then some tickets. And this one has all the punches. She included some bird punches, as well as some hearts and some feathers. Those are really cute. And then her circles. And then there's another charm. And then a little dangly, a little tassel. That's funny because I pulled out actually some tassels from my collection as well to put in here. And then look, she included a lot of black pieces to write with the white pen. So that's going to be super fun to play with. And then a lot of tags. And she stamped that one already. So that's nice. Don't have to stamp it. It's already done. And then the card, I really liked the card this time. Really cute. And a couple of doilies. I do see feathers in here. And then these feathers, I'm going to put these feathers in this box so I don't lose them. Oh, a couple of little cards that kind of go with the colors. Neat. Envelope, library pocket. Some tickets. Index card. Some cute feather items. Those in the box. And then some tags. And the flash card. And I love it when she includes the time cards. And a thing of labels. And then here is the tag that comes from the 12 by 12 paper. And then, oh, that's really pretty. I love that. And then the napkin and the bookmarker. And then this piece is really pretty. This is kind of where I felt like it was kind of boho-y, boho effect. A couple of book pages. The black piece of paper. Ooh, wallpaper with birdies on it. I did not know this was in here. Like I said, I didn't look at the thing. That's cool. And then another page, garden. That's really cool. That's a really pretty image. So yeah, so all of those pieces are really cool. I'm going to go ahead and take some of these pieces and put them in my box. Kind of mix it up with what I already have. I pulled out quite a few, like, so I kind of wanted to add some gold elements to this one. So I have these little pockets that have cards in them. I've had them for a long time, so I thought this would be a good place to use them. And then I just pulled out some tags and some feather die cuts and just different little tags that I have in this envelope that's gold. I want to try to incorporate some gold foil into this with the black. I think that would be really pretty together. So I'm going to try to see if all of these will fit in here. I don't know if that'll... seems like it fits fine. And then the tickets, I already pulled some other tickets out too. I pulled some tickets from her older collections. So I've got some of those. I need to really figure out, I think I'm going to make some paper clips out of these this time. So that's kind of why I pulled out so many. And then I've got some die cuts here, like birdies and stuff. Got a couple of tags that are black. Like I said, I pulled out some tassels, and then this is like just a collection of bird type, like little pieces of die cuts of ephemera. So I'm going to put these in here. I'm going to put the tassel in there. Put that card, actually, I put this one. All my birdie stuff is in here. Let's put these cards right here. Put all the metal pieces together. And I'm going to put this in there right now. And then I'll put the fibers in this little pocket. Okay, so that feels really organized. Oh, hello. Okay, that feels super organized. Okay, put the pin here. Okay, so then I think I'm going to put kind of all these pieces into here. All right, and let's put this in here too. And then this I'm going to put in here. Okay. And then I got another container from Daiso Japan. They're basically like document holders. They're calling it a document storage case. So I found this and I wanted to go ahead and buy this because there's often times when these are a little bit too big for this one. I like the thickness of this, so I'm going to use this too, but I wanted to have one that could fit the kind of the bigger pieces. So I think I have a bunch of feathers in this bag. So, and then let's see, I have some florals and I got some stencils and I stumped up a couple of my stamps out. I've got some stickers, this is like ribbon that kind of reminded me of feathers. And quite a few journaling cards, another stencil. I've got some stickers that are from the Dollar Tree, big feather stickers. And then I got a couple stamps here that I want to, stamp pads that I thought would work with the collection. Here, and this here. And I'll probably end up putting this in here. Will it fit? Yeah. Okay. At least it fits for now. I don't know. It might get a little too bulky to put in there. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do. Okay. I feel super organized. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and the first thing I like to do is I always like to tie this to the side. So it doesn't come off. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue. Like I said, I haven't even looked at this. Black paper in here. Really cool. And then I saw this envelope was like a flip out, huge envelope. That's super fun. Yeah, super fun. Okay, so then let's see. I typically like to put this in the middle, like close to the middle. So I think I'm actually going to put it right here. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to put the I'm going to grab the library pocket. Okay, I definitely am going to want to embellish this, but I think I'm okay with embellishing it on the page. And I'm just letting the stitching kind of guide where I'm placing it. And just place that on there like that. I liked last time how I kind of did the different embellishments. Like if you had watched my last video, I kind of did like different embellishments. Like I worked on the envelopes one time, and then I worked on the embellishments, and I got that from when I was doing my 5 journals in 5 days. That's kind of how I did it. Like I did a bunch of different types of embellishments. So I think that's kind of what I want to do for this one as well. And then once I have kind of the embellishments done, then I can work on putting the journal together instead of doing one page at a time. I just feel like it's a little bit more, it's more effective that way. Okay, so some of the things I'm going to do, I'm going to be making altar tags, so I have plenty of tags to do that with. I want to do the embellishments like I did last time. So I've got those tags. I think I actually do want to do quite a few glossing bags. So I think I'm going to grab a couple more from my stash. So I want to do the tags, I want to do a couple of glossing bags, and then I also want to do some paper clips. So those are kind of the 3 components that I want to put in this. And then we'll kind of add things as we go along, obviously. But those are kind of the 3 main components that I want to put in here. So, and I do want to do quite a bit of stenciling. I do have a couple of really cool stencils and stamps, so I'm gonna try to incorporate those in the journal. So that's kind of the plan. I don't think I really want to start any of that right now in this video. I think I wanted to just kind of tell the plan and set up my, kind of set up my stuff. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So the next video, I will do the tags or paper clips, depending on how I'm feeling. But for this video, I just wanted to get everything set up and kind of tell you what the plan was, and then kind of obviously show you the journaling kit or the journaling collection. So I think for now, I'm just going to put all this stuff back and then work on this a little bit during the week this week. And then next Friday, we'll have a video with some type of embellishment or tag or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry, it didn't have a lot of creativity, or I just really wanted to set up and kind of show you the pieces that I had, and kind of what I'm working with for this month's journaling collection. So I will see you again next week. Bye for now.